In this video, we're gonna show you how to transfer Bank of Montreal. First of all, open up the Bank of Montreal app on your mobile device, and once you have done that, simply log into your account. Now once you have done that, your home page will somewhat looks like this, where you will have to tap on the PN transfer tab, which is on the bottom side of the right screen. Now it will basically provide you four different options. There you will have to tap on the first option, which is transfer. After that, first of all, in order to make a transfer, you will have to select from which account you will be transferring your money from. So for this example, I will simply transfer my money from my saving account. Then you will have to select to which account you want to deposit your money. Now in my case, it will be checking account, so I am currently sending money from my savings account to my checking account. Now once you have done that, simply enter the amount you wish to transfer, and once you have done that, you can select the date and frequency. And once you are okay with all of the details, tap on the option continue, which in the bottom side of the screen, and there you have it. That is basically how you transfer money on your Bank of Montreal's account.